If you can't fly, then run. If you can't run, then walk. If you can't walk, then crawl. But whatever you do, you have to keep moving forward. Good morning everyone, respected principal sir, teachers and my dear brothers and sisters. I, Gayatri Paija of Standard 10, welcome you all to today's morning assembly. So let's start our morning assembly with DAV Gun.
Good! Attention! Ready for DAV Gun. Good! Join your hands and close your eyes.
An oath is a way to make us aware of our duties towards our nation. So I request Dilip to lead us with the pledge.
Take place position. India is my country.
India is my country.
All Indians are
All Indians are
my brothers and sisters.
my brothers and sisters.
I love my country
I love my country
and I am
proud of its
rich and varied heritage.
rich and varied heritage.
I shall always strive to be
I shall always
worthy of it.
worthy of it.
I shall give my parents,
I shall give my parents,
teachers,
teachers,
and all elders
and all elders
respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I place my devotion in their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
Good! Stand
prime object of Arya Samaj is to do good to the world, that is, to promote physical, spiritual and social good to everyone. So now I would like to call Prachi for principles of Arya Samaj.
Ten principles of Arya Samaj. Principle number 5. All actions should be performed in conformity with dharma. That is after due consideration of right and wrong. Principle number 6. The primary aim of Arya Samaj is to do good for all. That is to promote their physical, spiritual and social well-being. Thank you.
A new day starts with a new belief, new strength and endless possibilities. So, to inspire us and to illuminate our morning assembly, I would like to call Richa for today's thought.
Good morning everyone. Today's thought is, you will never get what you want until you are thankful for what you have. I repeat, you will never get what you want until you are thankful for what you have. Thank you.
School, attention. Ready for prayer song.
update us with the latest happenings around the world. I would like to call Lekika for some news headlines.
Good morning everyone. Today's news headlines are: first of all, take a hit on international news. About 175 flights cancelled in Netherlands over looming storm. US challenges Russia to stay back from Ukraine attack. Here are some national news. PM Modi inaugurated 2 new railway lines connecting Thane and Diva today. Karnataka government bans hijab, saffron scarves in school, run minority welfare department. Lastly, some sports news. IPL 2022. Shreyas Iyer appointed captain of Karnataka Knight Riders. 16-year-old Apple turned sigils on Ranji Trophy. Thank you.
Now, I would like to call Ikshita to present some amazing facts on a legendary Indian playback singer. Good morning everyone. Today's fact file is based on Lata Mangeshkar. Lata Mangeshkar was born on 28 September 1929 in Indore district, Madhya Pradesh. She was also known as Queen of Melody, Nightingale of India and Voice of the Millennium. She was a playback singer, music composer and film producer. She was awarded with National Filmfare Awards, BFTA Awards, Filmfare Award for the Best Female Playback Singer, Filmfare Special Awards and Filmfare Lifetime Achievement Award. She was honored with Padma Bhushan in 1969, Dada Saheb Phalke Award in 1989, Maharashtra Bhushan in 1997, Padma Vibhushan in 1999, Bharat Ratna in 2001 and Officer of the National Order of the Legion of Honor from France in 2006. Her real name was Hema Mangeshkar. She changed her name after a famous character, Latika. She started singing at the age of 5. She became popular with Aayega Aane Wala song. She was an ardent fan of cricket. She also served as a Rajya Sabha MP. Saugand Mujhe Is Mitti Ki was her last recorded song on 30th March 2019. She breathed her last on February 6, 2022 in Mumbai, India, before the immersion day of Goddess Saraswati. Thank you and have a cheerful day. A new word increases our vocabulary. So I would like to call Meghashweta for today's word.
Good morning everyone. Today's word is delphinium. Its spelling is DELPHINIUM. Its meaning is a tall garden plant with blue flowers. I repeat, delphinium. Its spelling is DELPHINIUM. Its meaning is a tall garden plant with blue flowers. Thank you.
School, attention. Ready for national anthem.
Whenever you find yourself doubting how far you can go, just remember how far you have come. Remember everything you have faced, all the battles you have won, and all the fears you have overcome. With this, I conclude today's morning assembly. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good. Stand it is. Assembly dispersed.